Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two fantastic products from Bialetti. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's jump right into it. Both products are made with high-quality materials. Product 1, the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter, is made from white rubber and stainless steel, ensuring durability. On the other hand, Product 2, the Moka Induction, features an aluminum upper part, just like the classic Moka Express, combined with a sturdy stainless steel boiler suitable for induction hobs. If you own a Bialetti 3-cup stovetop coffee or espresso maker, then Product 1 is a perfect fit for you. It is fully compatible with all Bialetti 3-cup models, ensuring a seamless replacement experience. Product 2, the Moka Induction, is the first Moka suitable for use on induction hobs. So, if you have an induction hob, this is the one for you. When you purchase Product 1, you get an entire set of replacement parts. It includes 1 replacement filter and 3 replacement gaskets, ensuring that you have everything you need to keep your coffee maker running smoothly. Product 2, the Moka Induction, comes as a complete unit, and no additional components are necessary. Using Product 1 is simple and straightforward. Just replace the old gasket and filter with the new ones, and you are good to go. Product 2, the Moka Induction, also provides an effortless brewing experience. Fill the boiler, insert ground coffee in the filter, place it on the stovetop, and let it gurgle. When it comes to cleaning, both products require rinsing with water. However, it's important to note that the Moka Induction should not be placed in the dishwasher or cleaned with any detergent. Unfortunately, Product 1 does not have a specific price mentioned. On the other hand, Product 2, the Moka Induction, is available at a price of $150. It's important to consider the features and benefits of each product when evaluating the price point. And there you have it, our comparison of these two Bialetti products. Both the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter and the Moka Induction have their unique advantages. Depending on your needs and preferences, you can choose the one that suits you best. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.